Crowbar here, cooking with Crowbar. Today I'm going to do something different. Everybody's making a big deal out of tomahawk steaks. Now, if you don't know what a tomahawk steak is, it's a big chunk of meat with a big piece of bone. A lot of places charges a lot of money for them. I got my own. I'm going to see if I can air fry it in my Galanz. And I'm going to use Kinder's Rub Seasoning steak blend. So we're going to see how this goes. So here's the tomahawk. It's a big piece of meat. It's got a big bone. Can't see it behind the sticker here. But yeah, so it's 2.5 pounds. Oh boy, this might be a failure, just like the pot roast, but I'm not going to give up. We're going to try it again, see if it works. So I'm going to get things situated. Oh, we recently bought a home, and Crystal, aka the lunch lady, the purple-haired lunch lady, she's home. She has a job at a pharmacy, and she's happy, and I'm happy that she's happy, but yet I'm sad that she's not here. You know what I mean? Because it's just me and Bella again. But at least I have someone to go home to now. And we don't live in the truck. We've been living in the truck for 4 years. Whatever. So anyway, I'm going to try this, and hopefully she's watching. Crystal, if you're watching, I love you with all my heart. And I hope things are cool. Good with you. So anyway, like I said, we're going to air fry this in here. And I'm going to use the table with the pig legs. I like calling them pig legs. So I'm going to go ahead and get the seasoning on this steak and see if it'll fit in there, if it'll turn. If not, I'll show you how I'm going to cut it. We'll be back. All right, so real quick, I'll try to make this as fast as I can because, you know, but here's the tomahawk, whole piece of meat. Look at that. 2.5 pounds of this. Yeah, and we're going to see if it fits in there, and if so, we're going to get her started. I'll do 25 minutes. That way, 5 minutes for it to get hot in there and all that, and you know what I mean. So, all right, so first I got to take this out, and then I got to take my piece of meat, just like that. But look how much is hanging over. Oh, no. No, it's going to get caught. So I'm going to have to get a tool to cut this. I'm going to use these. These are good cutters. These are brand new. Never been used before. I'm a man. And it doesn't bother me to use a tool. So I'm going to see if I can snap some of that bone off. Here we go. Okay. I need a better grip. Better grip. I'm gonna get it. Just wait a minute. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Should go this. Stupid. Okay. Oh man. I do have a Sawzall. It's a good thing cows are dumb, because as tough as this bone is, if they were intelligent, they'd be really dangerous. Holy crap. What was I thinking? I can't just... How the cavemen do this shit. I ain't doing real rocks. Alright, you know what? Screw it. That's just gonna have to work with it. If you guys are truck drivers and you're interested, or no, if you're truck drivers and you're interested and you're not lazy, and working is something that you like to do because you like to get a paycheck, we're hiring. 1-800-669. There's a video. I made a video about hiring. 2625, I think it is. 64 cents a mile. Go check out the video. I don't want to waste anybody else's time about it, but we are hiring, and it's good pay. I mean, so like it is turning. To some degree, it's turning and then stopping and then turning again. So that should work. That should work because, you know, the coil being on the top cooks the one side, then flip it over. Hopefully it'll shrink a little bit. Well, it will shrink. Trust me, I know about shrinking. I know. All right, believe it or not, that bone is just hanging up just a little bit, but yet it is turning. It's properly turning, so that's a good thing. It looks juicy from what I can see. I'm not going to open the door yet. Yeah. It's looking pretty good, people. I think I might have me some beef tonight. Say hi to Bella. This is Bella, everybody. This is my best friend. Look. This is my best friend. This is Bella. She's a red-nosed pit. I met her in Tulsa, Oklahoma in a dog pound, and I couldn't leave her. You know I couldn't. Look. So, that's Bella. Now, if you're a subscriber and you followed my videos, you actually watched them, which if you have, I really appreciate that. And if you subscribe, thank you very much. Last I looked, I think I was like at 644, I believe. Wow. That's just, you know, long time coming, but let's get up to that 1,000. I have not had a chance to do my beef Wellington like I said I wanted to if I hit 500 subscribers. Trust me, it will get done. Okay, it just takes a little bit more time for that. And like I said, I haven't had grass grow under my tires enough time for me to do it. So with that being said, I forgot what I was going to say, but thank you for being a subscriber. I appreciate it. Please, if you haven't, click that like button. It doesn't cost a dime. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It doesn't cost a dime. It just helps the channel out. She's turning good now. I'm glad I decided to do the air fry function on this thing, because if I was to do the convection oven part, it would burn the meat. So the air fryer hopefully would keep it juicy and cook it. It smells really good right now. Too bad there's not smell-o-vision. Maybe that's the next thing I should try to do is smell-o-vision. She's turning good. So I'm liking what I'm seeing and smelling so far. And hearing. I'm not hearing any problems. Yeah. So, alright, I gotta get back to what I was doing. What? Don't judge me. First you hated that I smoked cigarettes, and now you hate that I'm vaping. I'm trying to quit smoking. I'm down to 1 pack for 2 days. Usually I'm a 3-pack a day guy, but this thing is really working, so. Now this is just a suggestion, drivers. A lot of us out here are out of weight, or overweight, out of shape is what I meant. So why don't you do what I did? I cut out sugar, which is pop, and I cut out bread, which is starch, carbs. Got rid of it. So when I make sandwiches, I use these. I use flatbread. I call it bread. But, you know, the wraps. I make wrap sandwiches now. Anyway, yeah, so there it is. May not be the healthy, whatever. I mean, it's hard out here. We all know this. But if you guys like nectar, oh my God, these things are cheap and they're really good. Very, very tasty. Shake it up, you know, because everything's settled at the bottom. And the peaches taste like peaches. It's really good. Jumex, I expect royalties from that endorsement. I'm not being endorsed by anybody. Oh yeah, Mission, I want some royalties for showing off your flatbread. And whatever. Alright, so it turned off. It's done so far, so look at that. It looks like the air fryer is working for this Tomahawk. That is so nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to burn myself and flip this stupid thing. So, okay. Here's this. Man. And then, what is up with that? Here we go, flipping the beast. Oh yeah. And we're gonna put her back in. I can't wait, because this thing looks like it'll turn out really good. I mean, it's not grilled to perfection like at restaurants that you pay $100 for it, or where they had to put gold flakes on it to dress it up. But it'll be edible. Something that you made in your truck, and it'll be edible. Oh yeah. You didn't make that, or you're not going to make your own. See, what happens is when the mommy and daddy cow love each other, you know what I'm saying, right? So then God forms the little mess of goo, and that's what you get. So remember, you cooked it, you prepared it, you didn't make it. Okay, so we're down to 13 minutes. Let's stop it for a minute. I want to check it, make sure it's not shrinking too much, you know what I mean? I mean, that was 2.5 pounds of meat for $30. So I want to make sure that it's not going to get shrunk too bad. This damn thing's so freaking heavy. You gotta see this. Look what it did. Look, see the glass? It's not flat. It literally, it's so freaking side heavy. It just popped the lid off. That's why it's not turning. Oh, so ooh, it's sizzling. Sizzle. Look at that. Man, oh man. All right. So excuse me while I burn the shit out of my hands, because I gotta fix this. So, I got these. I got so much on my mind I can't think right. Alright, so that's... I mean, she's just... guys hurry up and go get your own Galanz, and there. Put it back on. It'll do it again. Trust me, it'll do it again. It's too heavy, and you know, either these or these are too weak to cut through that bone. So just have to deal with it, right? It smells great. Oh. That's my hunger look, remember? Now, like I said, in the wintertime, this thing is a great thing. It really is, because it's cold outside, 30 below or whatever, and it'll be nice and toasty in here. This thing puts off some heat. So it's hot up top, but nothing to do any damage. It's warm here, no big deal. And then same thing over here. It's cool to the touch. But I mean, this thing is a game changer, people. I mean, if you have a big enough space in your truck, get one. I strongly advise that. Start cooking your own food. This is going to be awesome. It only cost me $30. I'm just going to have the meat. That's all I'm eating is the steak. I don't want nothing else. No potato, no nothing. Nothing. Just that. It's going to be worth it. Mouth is watering. Now, if you guys are afraid of the glass turntable tipping, the only thing I could suggest to you is cut the meat off the bone. Throw the bone away, give it to your dog, whatever you want to do with it. Put the meat in the center. But if you do that, you'll be robbing the meat of a lot of flavoring from the bone. So, probably just going to have to deal with it, like I am. I'm glad I did. It smells so good in here. It's good. You know what time it is. Alright, she's done. So I'm going to take it out, bring it down to the cutting table, or board, and take it off the bone. See what it looks like. Look at that. Now look how nice that looks, huh? Nice and juicy piece of meat. See that? So, I want to cut it off. Oh yeah. I don't want to mess up. Cut her off of that bone there. I will let this thing cool down, and I'll have one hell of a happy dog. See that? Looks good. So, then what you do, I want to get a fork. And then I want to cut. Oh, that's nice and tender, folks. The Galanz did not do a bad job. Look at that. The Galanz actually did real good. Look at that. That is rare, like I like it. Looks good. Oh my goodness. I think I hit a juice vein. Whatever. So now it's time for a taste test. Let's see. Let's get a piece of this meat. I mean, that's a good piece of meat. Look at that. The Galanz did a really good job air frying this meat. Oh yeah. That's this outdid that roast by far. Now, I know a lot of you guys like pig back fat, whatever, you like eating pig fat. I like cow fat. It's more tolerable. Someone try that crusty piece. So here's some cow fat. See that? Oh. Man, oh man. Look, if you drivers want to insist, I'm going to put that fat with some piece of meat. See forever when I see your face, and I swear God. If you drivers insist on eating at these truck stops and continuously get fat, it's your problem. God. That is a lot of flavor. The Galanz did a hell of a good job. So with that being said, remember, be kind to each other. Don't text and drive. And as Crystal would say, don't do it. And then I would say, yeah, don't be that asshole. Just be safe, guys. Make your own food. Enjoy life. If you want to be fat, at least be happy. Be fat and happy. Get it? Fat and happy? Okay, bye. See you guys. Till next time. Hopefully I can have a better video. But this, oh my God.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.